you're planning your next Bali family holiday, you need to check out the new theme rooms at the Grand Hyatt Bali in Nusa Dua. They have a mermaid theme room and a pirate theme room, and you need to come and take a look. When you book a themed room, it comes as an interconnecting room. So the adults have their beautiful traditional Grand Hyatt style room on one side, and then the children in their interconnecting room have their surprise. Wow, this is amazing. The room even comes complete with all of your little mermaid accessories for the kids to take home and keep. You'll also find some mermaid themed books to read for bedtime. Your second choice when it comes to the themed room is this stunning pirate themed room, complete with a pirate boat wheel, a hammock, and gorgeous bunk beds. You'll even find some pirate games and books to play in the room. So if the theme rooms look like your next holiday, you can also check out the full resort tour of the Grand Hyatt Bali. We've got a link to it in our caption. You will love it, and so will the kids. Bye!